Edward Seymour, September 21st, 1561, July 21st, 1612. Edward Seymour was an English aristocrat, son of the first Earl of Hertford, and Catherine Grey, who held the title of courtesy Viscount Beauchamp. Mary Tudor, Queen of France, March 18th, 1496, June 25th, 1533. Mary Tudor was an English princess, the youngest daughter of King Henry VII and Elizabeth of York. Mary became the third wife of King Louis XII of France. Richard Boyle, April 25th, 1694. December 4th, 1753. Richard Boyle, 3rd Earl of Burlington, 4th Earl of Cork, was an English aristocrat and philanthropist, one of the propagators of Palladianism and inspirers of the Masonic movement. Jean French, April 23rd, 1464, February 4th, 1505. Jeanne of France, or Jeanne de Valois, was a French queen, a Catholic saint. Mir Damad, 1561 to 1631. Mir Damad was an Iranian philosopher, theologian, faqih of Safavid Iran, and representative of Avicenna's Neoplatonic Islamic peripatetic philosophy. Dolly Madison, 20, May 1768 to 12, July 1849. Dolly Payne Todd Madison was the wife of the 4th President of the United States, James Madison, and First Lady of the United States from 1809 to 1817. Benjamin Franklin. 17. January 1706 to 17. April 1790. Benjamin Franklin was an American politician, diplomat, inventor, scientist, philosopher, writer, Freemason, polymath, one of the most influential figures of the 18th century. Eleonora of Aquitaine, 1122, April 1st, 1204. Eleonora of Aquitaine, Duchess of Aquitaine and Gascony, Countess of Poitiers from 1137, Queen of France in 1137 to 1152. Omar Khayyam, 18 May 1048 to 4 December 1131. Omar Khayyam, Persian philosopher, mathematician, astronomer, and poet. He is known all over the world as an outstanding poet, author of a cycle of philosophical rubai. Anne of Breton, January 25th, 1477. January 9th, 1514. Anne of Breton was the reigning Duchess of Brittany, Queen of France, and Queen of Naples. Wife of two successive kings of France, Charles VIII and Louis XII. Frederick, Prince of Wales, January 31st, 1707, March 31st, 1751. Frederick Louis, Prince of Wales, heir to the British throne, eldest son of King George II and Caroline of Brandenburg-Ansbach, father of King George III. Claude French, October 13th, 1499, July 20th, 1524. Claude of France, daughter of French King Louis XII, Duchess of Brittany after her mother's death. First wife of French King Francis I.